Packing light for a month-long trip might sound impossible, but with the right strategy, it's completely doable. A single carry-on can hold everything you need while saving you money on baggage fees and making travel easier. Here's exactly how to do it. The first step is choosing the right bag. A 40-liter carry-on backpack or suitcase is ideal since most airlines allow this size as a personal item. It should be lightweight, durable, and designed for efficient organization. Next, pack a versatile wardrobe. Stick to neutral colors and clothing that can be mixed and matched into multiple outfits. Choose lightweight, quick-drying fabrics that layer well. 3 to 4 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, a few undergarments, and 1 pair of comfortable shoes should cover most trips. If traveling to a colder destination, wear your bulkiest items on the plane to save space. Rolling clothes instead of folding them maximizes space and prevents wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep everything organized and easy to access. Compression bags can also reduce bulk, especially for outerwear. Limit toiletries to the essentials. A travel-sized toothpaste, solid shampoo bar, deodorant stick, and multi-use skincare products will keep you within airline liquid restrictions while saving space. Many hotels and accommodations provide soap and shampoo, so there's no need to pack large bottles. Technology should be kept simple. A lightweight laptop or tablet, a universal travel adapter, and a compact power bank cover most needs. Noise-canceling earbuds take up less space than bulky headphones. Instead of carrying multiple chargers, use a single multi-port USB cable. Documents and money should be stored securely. A digital copy of your passport, insurance, and itinerary on your phone ensures access in case of emergencies. A slim travel wallet keeps cash and cards safe while reducing bulk. For laundry, pack a travel detergent or use hotel facilities. Washing clothes every few days allows for a lighter wardrobe while staying fresh throughout the trip. A small, quick-drying towel is also useful for hostels or budget stays. Traveling for a month with just a carry-on is easier than it seems. With smart packing choices, multi-use items, and a focus on essentials, there's no need for heavy luggage. Streamlining what you bring makes travel smoother, leaving more time to enjoy the journey.